Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit nature photos in Lightroom Classic. So let's start editing. First go to the basic. Temperature -10. Exposure -0.11. +22 for contrast. And highlights -76. Shadow +54. Whites +25 and -30 for black. And done. Now go to the presence. Clarity +15. +18 for dehaze. And vibrance +14. +27 for saturation. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Hue +10. And -15 for both saturation and luminance. Now go to the orange. Hue +4. -40 for saturation. And luminance +3. Then go to the yellow. Hue -8. And -10 for saturation. Now go to the green. Hue +25. +10 for saturation. And luminance -5. Now go to the aqua. +15 for hue. And -7 for saturation. Next go to the blue. Hue -10. Saturation +11. And luminance -15. Now go to the purple. Hue +16. Saturation -25. And +11 for luminance. Finally go to the magenta. Saturation -15. And luminance -6. And done. Luminance and color noise reduction 10. Vignetting +7. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you next time.